YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you my new Hornby set, and today I'm gonna show you how it basically makes it move. All you got to do, like, it's this here, and you basically like turn it like that, and then you make it forwards, and then you basically stop it, and then the other way is backwards, like that. Then I'll be getting like lots of stuff for my hornby set, and yeah, and this is my control here, yeah, and if you want to see more of this, like, please like subscribe me, and yeah, and these are my that's my steam locomotive, and my wagon, and my carriage there, and yeah, and I'll be doing some more stuff like on there, and yeah, if you want to see more of the steam locomotive train, do more stuff like pull some carriages,